Hello, peoples. I'm talking to you from inside my mother's refrigerator. Now, some people might remember way back in my Facebook days, I made a video of me talking from my mom's refrigerator. It was one of the things that actually prompted me to start doing YouTube videos, and it looked a little something like this. Taking a video, what's inside the refrigerator? Actually, this is my mom's refrigerator. Let's see, she's got water. She's got a half-drinking can of Pepsi with a straw in it. She's got some Sunkist soda. Oh, she wants to finish the soda. Why not?
Oh, no, because I might have to pee. Oh, well, we're not ready to go, but don't give it to me. Put it back.
Yes, my mom just said pee-pee. And she's got some juice.
There's no beer in there.
There's no alcohol, which is just as good because she's a diabetic.
Don't put alcohol in there.
She does have fruit.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, take one of those.
Yeah, it smells like it's never been.
Yeah, get another pack of those.
And she's got a candy bar, something a diabetic shouldn't have in an
That
emergency.
candy bar is for Kayla. But you can have it. You can have it.
Fine.
That's not even for... Yeah.
And she's got the cookie that I gave her 2 years ago from Disney World.
I just love it. Sometimes I put it in there, sometimes I put it out here. I started to try to eat it one day, and I said, no, then it'll be... Mickey Mouse will be destroyed.
Anyway, so that's it. Now I'm going to go
I
do
don't
something.
know what's in those boxes. Ken put them in there.
So, here I am, back again. And that was like one of my favorites. But I'm back in Mom's refrigerator. And it looks almost exactly the same. She got hot sauce in the refrigerator. Who puts hot sauce in the refrigerator? Because how can it be hot if it's cold? I don't know. But anyway, so I just want to share that video with you. Small, funny kind of thing. And the video that in so many ways started it all. Sorry, I got bronchitis. So, but that was about it. So, as always, thanks for watching. Oh, and every now and then, my brother likes to keep ice cream in the refrigerator. And he shouldn't be eating ice cream. It's not good for you, so I'm going to eat this for him. So, thanks, Ken.